Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to open an oyster. I mean, I've got a specific tool, my handkerchief here, my kitchen towel, and a knife I bought, which is not a real knife, it's very pointy. This is the hard tip of the knife you're going to use to open the oyster. I will show you because I need to do this dish, and so I need to open a dozen of oysters. So let me show you how it works. What I'm going to show you first is where to enter your knife. So you see here at the back of the oyster you've got a small hole. This is the weak point of the oyster. This is the top here and this is the body here. So you're gonna enter your knife in this hole here. I didn't do the hole, it's a natural part of it's where the joint is. So you keep the oyster firm in your other hand. So you notice I'm a left-handed. So what you will want to do is watch this video in a mirror. So you will have the good way if you are a right-hander. Okay, so I take the knife, I enter it in the hole. I insist, going left and right. Here we go, I'm in, see? And then with the cutting part of the knife, I'm opening the shelf, the top part of the shelf. And here we go. The oyster is open. So of course you will want to scrap the meat and let it inside. And here we go. Ta-da! A nice and open oyster, all ready to be eaten right now. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, if you like this video, you can give me the thumbs up, you can comment and give me what you think, tell me what you think about this video. And then you can subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel. It helps me a lot, once again. So thank you very much for watching. Merci, au revoir et à bientôt.